Happy Sunday, my dear brothers and sisters. Let me share another reflection for this 33rd Sunday in Ordinary Time from the account of Luke chapter 25, verses 5 to 19. Allow me to share 3 P's as a theme to guide our reflection this beautiful Sunday. Hearing Jesus say that the mighty temple will collapse brings me to a moment of stillness. You know, it makes me stop and reflect. And I begin to think about the temples I keep building in my own heart, like my plans, my priesthood, my academic achievements, my accomplishments, my personal connections, my travel experiences around the world, relationships, even the small things I quietly take pride in. They feel so secure, so permanent, until life shakes them. And when it does, the Lord gently whispers to me the first P, and that is perspective. He invites me to lift my eyes from what is temporary and fragile and to focus instead on what truly lasts and matters the most. Perspective, my dear friends, reminds me that the real foundation of my life isn't my own strength or success, but His faithfulness, His love, His quiet presence that holds me together. Perspective shifts my eyes from what impresses the world to what nourishes my soul. And perspective help me see with God's eyes to value faith more than fame, to value mission more than monuments, and to value obedience more than outward success in life. As Jesus continues, He speaks honestly about trials, about misunderstandings, about rejections and persecution, and I feel that deeply. I know what it is like to be stretched thin, to feel the weight of expectations, to carry struggles that no one else sees. It is here that the second P, and that is perseverance, becomes so personal. Jesus does not demand perfection from me. He does not say, Father Jack, you don't need to be perfect. He simply calls me to stay with Him, to journey with Him, to be authentic with myself, to keep praying even when the words don't come easily, to keep trusting even the answers feel delayed, to keep walking even the road feels heavy and snowy. In this moment of quiet endurance, I realize that God is shaping my heart. He is strengthening my spirit and carrying me in ways I seldom notice until I look back. And then, Jesus offers a promise so tender that it touches the deepest part of me. When He said, Father Jack, not a hair on your head will be destroyed. This third P, which stands for the promise, becomes the ground I stand on. When life feels uncertain, when I feel vulnerable or afraid, His promise strengthens me, encourages me. He assures me that I am never abandoned, never forgotten. He promises guidance in confusion, strength in my weakness, and companionship in my loneliness. And when I hold on to that promise, courage quietly returns, not because the road becomes easy, but because I am reminded that He walks every step with me. He promises that endurance will lead to life. He assures that faith is never wasted. His promise gives direction to my journey and hope to my heart. Perspective, perseverance, promise. These three P's remind me that no matter what shakes around me, I can remain standing. Not because my life is made of unbreakable, beautiful stones, but because my God is. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family. Make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.